Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll walk you through how to connect a domain to HostGator hosting. Whether you're a beginner or just refreshing your skills, this step-by-step guide will help you link your domain seamlessly. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and go to hostgator.com. You can type in the URL or use your saved bookmark. Next, click the sign in button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email and password to log in. If you can't remember your details, use the Forgot Password option. After logging in, you'll land on your HostGator dashboard. From here, head to the HostGator home section under the main navigation menu. Once inside, click on the websites option. This will take you to the settings area where most domain configurations happen. From here, choose settings for the website you want to connect a domain to. If you manage multiple sites, make sure you're working on the right one. Inside settings, click on Connect Domain. This begins the process of linking your domain with HostGator hosting. Now, type your domain name into the space provided. Make sure to enter only the core domain with its extension, like example.com, without www or http. Depending on your registrar, you may need to confirm ownership or update your DNS records. Follow the on-screen steps carefully to complete the setup. And that's it. Your domain is now connected to HostGator hosting and ready to go live. If you run into any issues, reach out to HostGator support or check their help guides. Thanks for watching and happy website hosting.